Hey y'all, this is our first day in Bali, and we started off at Bali Turtle Jewelry Workshop, where I made 3 pieces of jewelry. I made a bestie bracelet with my friend. I made 1 gold ring and then another silver ring. So the workshop can vary depending on how you want it. So this engravement took a minute, but we wrapped it up and took some pictures outside, get into the poses. Yeah. Then we went to Kynd, which is a little brunch spot. I tried my first strawberry matcha. It's like 5 out of 10, but Kynd, I completely recommend. The food was so fresh, so yummy. It's actually a vegan restaurant. The atmosphere is adorable. Then we went to the spa. This spa was absolutely divine. It was just such a beautiful experience, a beautiful atmosphere. The massage itself was so nice. We got to wait on these bed swings because we were a little bit early to our appointment. And let me just tell you, I felt like I was in a Bollywood compound. I love Bollywood movies, so this just really brought me back to that. I wanted to just sit by the pool and sing a little Bollywood song. But yeah, it was just so pretty and so nice. And the music, the sound going on, it was just so relaxing. But yeah, they let us explore a little bit of the facility while we were waiting for our appointment, because we did show up a little early. Rather be early than late, right? But yeah, I just love the facility so much. The staff were so kind. They gave us some green tea to relax us and start off before the massage. And yeah, I can never be serious anywhere I go. So I was just really taking advantage of this relaxation time and this really cool swing. And yeah, the massage itself, I got a deep tissue massage. It was about an hour. Pretty sure I fell asleep about 5 times. So you got your private room with this cute little, I don't know what this is for, but it was just so cute. And then afterwards, I got to take a little bath in this gorgeous bathtub. I did not want to get out. I tell you, I did not want to get out. I went to sleep there. But yeah, once we wrapped up, we went back to the hotel and I slept just like this kitty cat.